everyone, welcome back to the next video. So today we'll be talking about some of the theoretical parts of AWS. The first one is S3 transfer acceleration, increase transfer speed by transferring file to an AWS edge location, which will forward the data to the S3 bucket in the target region. AWS Global Accelerator improve global application availability and performance using the AWS global network. Leverage the AWS internal network to optimize the route of your application. 60% improvement to Anycast IPR created for your application. Traffic is sent through edge location. AWS Global Accelerator versus CloudFront. They both use the AWS global network and its edge location around the world. Both services integrate with AWS Shield for DDoS protection. CloudFront content delivery network improves performance for your cacheable content. Content is served at the edge. Global Accelerator, no caching, proxying packets at the edge to application running in one or more AWS region. Improve performance for a wide range of application over TCP or UDP. AWS Outpost, hybrid cloud business that keep on-premises infrastructure alongside a cloud infrastructure. Therefore, two ways of dealing with IT system: one for AWS cloud using AWS console CLI and AWS API; one for their on-premises infrastructure. AWS Outpost, a server rack that offer the same AWS infrastructure services, APIs and tools to build your own application on premises. Just as in the cloud, AWS will set up and manage Outpost racks within your on premises infrastructure, and you can start leveraging AWS services on premises. You're responsible for the Outpost rack physical security benefits: low latency access to an on premises system, low data processing, data redundancy, easier migration from on premises to the cloud, fully managed service. EC2, EBS, S3, EKS, ECS, RDS, EMR are services that work on Outpost. AWS wavelength zones are infrastructure deployment embedded within the telecommunication provider data center at the edge of the 5G network. Bring AWS services to the edge of the 5G network. Example: EC2, EBS, VPC, ultra low latency application through 5G network. Traffic doesn't leave the communication service provider's network. High bandwidth and secure connection to the parent AWS region. No additional charges or service agreement. Use cases: smart cities, ML assisted diagnostic, connected vehicles, interactive live video stream, AR VR, real-time gaming. AWS local zone places AWS compute storage databases and other AWS services closer to end user to run latency sensitive application. Extend your VPC to more location. Extension of an AWS region compatible with EC2, RDS, ECS, EBS, Elastic Cache Direct Connect. Example: AWS region North Virginia, UST 1, AWS local zones Boston, Chicago, Dallas, Houston, Miami.